So here we have a simple circuit. There's a battery, there are some leads which have metal inside them, these are plastic covers, and there's a bulb, and the bulb's in a holder. And the bulb works because the metal filament here gets so hot that it starts to glow, and it glows enough to make lots of light, which is this yellow stuff here. Now we can imagine turning this into a diagram. So this is a simple circuit diagram, so we don't have to draw a picture the whole time. And you can see we've got a long end here and a short end here, and this represents the battery or the cell, and this is the positive side and this is the negative side. These lines here, they're the wires, the leads. And this part here, this is the bulb. This is an old way of drawing bulbs. Normally it's just a circle with a cross, but it shows it really well, the glass part, and then in the middle you have the filament. And the filament is the metal part that gets very hot and glows, making the bulb light. Now let's imagine looking inside the wires to see what's going on. So we don't really know what's going on inside the wires, and this definitely isn't what's actually going on inside the wires, but this is just a way to think about it. This is just a way to help us imagine what's happening. So we've got the same basic features. We've got the battery here, we've got the bulb here, and we've got the leads or the wires connecting the two together. But this is the new bit. Seem to have some sort of black dots and some red stuff going on, and it's thinking about the black dots and thinking about the red stuff that's going to help us understand what's really happening inside a circuit.